Hello, we have a question on the board and I want us to solve it together. It's a very simple but tricky question. You need to think very well. So, this I should reduce what I have here. I should reduce everything I have here. That is a squared plus 68 plus 64 over 2a squared minus 2128 divided by that. Now the first thing, let's look at the solution. So, I have a squared plus 16a plus 64 over 2. I can write this as 2 into bracket a squared minus 64 because 2 is a common factor between this and that. So, I'm factorizing the 2 out. This time I'm not dividing by 2, I'm factorizing because this is not an equation. So I factorize the 2 out. So that 2 times a squared give me 2a squared, 2 times 64, 128. Alright? Now, this one, I want to change the sign from the beginning. So instead of division, I write what? Multiplication, and then I'll reciprocate this. Reciprocate means turn it upside down. So that gives me a squared minus 6a minus 16 all over 3. Okay, this one too. Watching carefully. There's this 3a, this is 3 here. This is 3 times 10. This is 3 times 16. So I can use 3 to cancel everything here. So that gives me what? 3 into bracket a squared plus 10a plus 16, like this. Alright, so let's move on. Now, this is a quadratic equation. So, we have to what? Factorize this thing first. So we are looking for two numbers. When you multiply, you get 64. The same two numbers, when you add, you get 16. This is very simple. That is 8 times 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. 8 plus 8 is 16. So we have a squared plus 8a plus 8a plus 64 over 2. Now, this difference of two squares, 64 is a perfect square, and this a is also a perfect square, that's a squared. So, this can be written as what? A squared minus what? 8 like this, all squared. This way. So now times, now this is also a quadratic equation, so we are, quadratic expression, sorry. So we are going to what? Factorize this. We are looking for two numbers. When you multiply, you get negative 16. The same two numbers, when you add, you get negative what? 6. So the factors of 16 are 4 times 4, 1 times 16, 8 times 2. And that's all. So, since the constant term is negative, it means that the two numbers, one of them must be what? Negative. Now, this second term is also negative. It means the biggest of the two values we are picking must be negative. So the only two values out of this, that when I multiply, I'll get 16. And then when I add, and 1 is negative, I'll get minus 6 is what? Is this one. Is this one here. Negative 8 times 2, negative 16. Minus 8 plus 2, minus 6. So this gives me a squared minus 8a plus 2a minus 16 all over 3 into, again, I'm looking for two numbers. When I multiply, I'll get 16. When I add, I'll get what? 10. So that should be 2 and 8. By this time, all of them positive, positive. Okay, so this gives me a squared plus 8a plus 2a plus 16. Alright, so this now gives me, from here I have this and that, from here this and that, here. Okay, so the common factor here is what? A. So a times what will give me a squared? A plus a times what will give me 8a, 8. Now plus, that's this plus sign here, this plus sign here. So now, the common factor between 8 and 64 is what? Is 8. Pull out. 8a divided by 8 is 8. 64 divided by 8 is 8. All over. This is difference of two squares. So I have what? A plus 8, a minus 8, like this, times, the common factor here is what? A. So into bracket, a squared divided by a is a, minus 8a divided by a, 8. Common factor here is what? Is 2. So 2 out. 2a divided by 2 is a. And then this divided by that is what? 8. Everything here. 3 into here. Now, the common factor here is what? A. So into bracket, this a squared divided by a is a, plus 8a divided by a is what? 8. Plus the common factor here is what? 2 into a plus 8. Okay. Now let's factorize out. From here, I have what? A plus 8 and then a plus 8 for this one, all over 2 into a plus 8, a minus 8, like this. So times it's like the space here is not enough. The space here is not enough. So let me clean the question here. Okay. So I have what? From here, a plus 8, a plus 8 over down 2 into a plus 8 bracket a minus 8 again now times, if I come here, this and that, a plus 2 and then the bracket a minus 8 over down here I have 3 into this and that, a plus 2 and then what? A plus 8, like this. So since everything is multiplying, we can now cancel our common factors. So now this can cancel that. This here can cancel that here. This can cancel that. And then this one can cancel this one. So the only thing we are left here with is the upper part, everything is cancelled. That's 1 over the down part. We have only 2 times 3. So this is equal to 1 over 6. That's our answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and follow my page.